Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I shall talk about some fantastic, easy to get, high paying work from home jobs in a single video. So for that, stay tuned till the end. If I take you guys 10 years back, companies and brands were hiring people and paying candidates whose English speaking skills are good, who can easily converse in English. But now, the scenarios and situations, demand and supply has totally changed. Multinational companies, domestic brands, and other corporate houses are hunting for candidates who not only have good skills, good command in English, but also looking for those who are well versed with the foreign language. As per my knowledge, every foreign language has a huge scope in India due to bilateral trades between India and foreign countries. So let's get deep into the career options, income, and what prerequisites needed in order to opt for the best opportunity. The first one is become a trader or facilitator or a broker. Every year, Indian government grants entry to foreign companies to do business in India, and there are a lot of companies who hunt for companies, firms, individuals who can facilitate them in setting up their manufacturing units or who can help them in attaining legal documents from Indian authorities. Usually, there is no fixed income as it depends on brand, volume of work, etc. But individual who is associated with legal advisories or companies can easily earn around 60 to 80k per month. For bilateral trades between companies, check out these websites for better knowledge. 1. Work for the immigration custom services. It is one area in which you can flourish with your knowledge of a foreign language. The language jobs in the embassies are very fruitful jobs. Almost all the embassies across the globe hire a local staff of the host country to assist a wide array of jobs. Each company is different, though their rules and somewhat are similar. The eligibility criteria depends upon the nature of work and responsibilities. Although the requirements vary from masters in international relations to IT professionals, since the number of new openings are very limited, so you can always check the official websites of the respective embassies or consulates. Besides, you can call the embassy HR office, regularly check all the job portals, and develop contacts with a person who can refer you for a job in the embassies. Starting salaries are around 40 to 50k per month, plus the additional perks like free coupons for transportation and free entry to delegate events in the city. So the third one, become a librarian in culture centers, institutes. All the embassies or affiliate cultural centers in the world have a library section. It creates the need to have a librarian and other staff responsible for taking care of books and other essential materials in the library. Your foreign language ability can come in handy in updating the library and making translations where possible. Mainly, job responsibilities are to guide readers or learners to choose the appropriate study material as per their requirement. Keep an eye on day-to-day course like maintain silence in the vicinity, issue books, videos to students, etc. Initially, these institutes hire interns, and after an year or so, they tend to hire the same intern on permanent positions. And starting intern remunerations are 15 to 20k to 40k for permanent positions. So the next one is become a foreign language teacher or an ESL teacher abroad. The demand for multilingual lecturers is increasing every day due to an increase in the number of students opting for foreign language. And because multilingual skills are not that common, the pay is good, especially if you have a passion for imparting knowledge and skills to the students. The demand for permanent university faculty or a lecturer or an assistant professor is relatively high. It would help you if you have an MA degree in the corresponding language or if you have NET certification. According to my rough calculation, around 3 lakh schools and universities have foreign language in their curriculum and they need instructors for that. While some of them are native speakers, but majority of them are Indians. At initial stage, schools usually pay between 35 to 40k a month, where mostly universities prefer to hire foreign language instructors on contractual basis and pay around 50k per month depending on their management. So to become an ESL teacher, English as a second language is an English language study program for non-native speakers. English teachers work with non-native students to help them to learn, speak, read, and write in English. Nature of the work is to teach English as a foreign language to kindergarten to school kids also. So what can be more exciting than traveling worldwide and meeting people from different part of the globe? For scholarships and opportunities and prerequisites for teaching abroad as an ESL, follow this link. So the next one is become a translator or voiceover artist. With your knowledge of a foreign language, you can work as a translator or interpreter for a company. Besides, you can also work as an independent freelancer. This career option can be conducted remotely, and it is one highest paying job that brands pay you per word or on hourly basis. Nature of work is mostly to translate websites, proofread documents and blogs, and sometimes company also ask you to do voiceover for e-learning. Please note that these jobs can be very lucrative, but you have the liberty to work for media houses, tourist centers, for sports clubs, and any international company. So the possibilities are infinite. Payroll is not standard and can be varied depending upon the nature of projects, but one can easily earn around 60 to 80k a month if you hustle really hard and make contacts convertible. So the next one is customer support in travel industry. When we hear customer support, we think of a call center where work is solely depends on cold calling, but it is not true in this era. There is a drastic growth in the income of common people, which allows them to spend more on leisure, entertainment, and travel. More and more couples wants to get married abroad, keen to know the culture around the globe. So majority of us just want to work, save, and travel the world. This is the reason why travel industry will never stop until the time stops. That is why many companies have been in competition since decades and hunt for affordable and best customer support, which India is capable to provide. In order to be in travel industry, one needs to know some specific tools like Amadeus, Sabre, Galileo, etc., which are highly used by domestic and international travel companies. I can say that travel industry can easily offer you 45 to 50k to beginners plus incentives, which makes it high payable sector for foreign language experts. So at last, I just want to add that learning a foreign language can easily take you and make your CV to the next level. If you want to know more, which company is offering the best remuneration, the salary, please get in touch. We'll provide all the details for free. As a foreign language expert, it is my duty to guide you guys and the newcomers in a good way. So this is it, guys. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.